Hey guys! So when I posted these charms on my Instagram, I got a lot of questions about how I made them, specifically the stickers inside or the transparencies. So I'm going to show you guys how I made them. So I'm actually going to link a video down below that I watched to learn how to make these. So if you want some extra information, go check out that video. So I'm going to start off by telling you guys everything you're going to need to make these. So first you're going to want a computer with some kind of application, like I'm using WordPad, or you could use Notepad or Word or whatever. So you want to type up the words you want to print out, and I recommend printing on just a regular piece of paper at first so you can figure out what size you need. So print out on a regular piece of paper, cut out your words, and see if they fit in the molds you're going to want to use. So you're also going to need a laser printer. So I just got this cheap printer on Amazon. It only prints in black and white and it works perfect. You're also going to need some transparency film for laser printers, and this is what I got. I got it on Amazon. Everything's going to be linked down below. You're also going to need your foil in whatever colors you would like. I got these on Joann's online because they were having a half off sale. And finally, you're going to need a laminator. I also got this on Amazon. You can just get a cheap one and it should work fine. So after you have printed out your words on your transparency film and you make sure it's the size you want to just get a regular sheet of printer paper. Sit your film inside. Then you want to take your foil, lay it on top, and you want to just cut that to size. So now that it's cut to size, you just want to fold your paper over on top. Like so. Now just turn your laminator on hot and turn it on and wait for the green light to come on. Okay, so now that the green light is on, we literally just want to carefully place this in here. There, and it'll start pulling it through. Okay, we're just going to open it up now. Should hopefully be satisfying. Just get it closer for you guys. And there you have it. So as you can see here, for example, not all of the pieces come out perfect. I don't know if that's because of my printer or the film I'm using or what, but I will just look through here and see which ones look the best and use those in my resin. And that's it. All you want to do now is cut out each piece and put them in their resin. I will be making a watch me resin video with these, so if you'd like to watch that, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, I had to show you guys these I just made after I turned the camera off. I freaking love this foil. It's like silver and it has stars in it. Probably see it. it better on the white. Look at that, and it's like rainbowy. You guys gotta get this foil.